Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I understand that YouTube right now is being flooded with Christmas, like decorate with me videos, but right now I'm still enjoying my fall decor. I filmed this a couple weeks ago and I finally got around to editing it. I don't decorate for Christmas until after Thanksgiving, and I also don't believe in spending a lot of money on seasonal decor. I don't have a lot of items just because it's my first year in our new home, and I wanted to just grab things that I knew I would use for many, many years that were timeless for me. So these things right now that I'm showing you are from the Target Dollar Spot. That is my favorite place to get like seasonal decor just because it's very affordable, but it looks a lot more expensive than what you actually paid for. So these pumpkins right here were only $1 each. The wooden signs were, I think, $3 to $5. And then these houses that light up, which I feel like I can use them for fall and for Christmas, they're $3 each. That right there, I think I'm going to switch it out for an actual photo of us when we went to the pumpkin patch. That was only $3. I also like the hunt that I have to go through to get these items at Target Dollar Spot, because it is very, very hard to get really good items if you go like late in the season. These pumpkins right here are only $1. I got them from the Dollar Tree actually, and I chose to get like very neutral colors so I can mix and match them around the house. That right there was gifted to me by my sister last year, but I think it was from Home Goods. This pumpkin, I love this pumpkin. I got this from Home Goods and it was $9.99. I've seen these at other places. They're like 15, 20, or even $35, and I would never pay that price for a pumpkin. These pumpkins right here are from, I can't remember if they're from Home Goods or TJ Maxx, but they were about 7. That orange pumpkin was like $7. This frame right here is totally my style. It's very like minimal, but I love minimal black things, and I think it was like $7, $8. Elena loves to play with this pumpkin, by the way, and I let her just because it's made out of cloth and I don't have to worry about her breaking it. This I got from TJ Maxx. It was under $5. This flower box right here, I got this at Ross, I believe, and it was like $12, $12.99. I'm gonna stain that the wooden part later or maybe next year because I like that dark wood. I don't really like light wood. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this, but I just needed something longer to use like above my TV. You'll see once I decorate everything. And then this right here I got at Michael's, and Michael's can get really, really pricey, and I got those plants at Michael's as well. And I never, ever, ever buy anything full price because they're way too expensive. Always use a coupon or always wait a little bit longer so they can go on sale. Those right there were actually from the Dollar Tree. They were $1 each, and I think I got 3 or 4 of them. And I used to be so bougie when it came to my candles, and I would actually spend like 25, 30 bucks on the Bath and Body Works candles. Don't get me wrong, they're amazing, but do not sleep on the Walmart candles. They're only $3. They're practically the same. They do burn a little bit faster, but $3 versus $30, I think I'd rather take the $3. So other than that, I'm just going to let the music roll and have you guys watch me decorate my home for the first time for fall, which was so exciting for me. And here's my shameless plug. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like my Decorate With Me videos. On top of that, I'll leave the rest of my playlist down below so you can binge watch more of my videos after this one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link that down below as well. I do put a lot of things on my stories and on my page that I do not film for YouTube around the house. So like I just recently painted my door black, and I did poll questions there because sometimes I get second guess myself and I don't want to mess up my house. So if you're interested, join my family. I would really, really appreciate it. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. see the horizon.